Hello everyone, my name is Parul and I hope you are fine at your place. So in my previous videos, I have discussed about trigonometric ratios and trigonometric ratios of some specific angles, that is 45 degree, and their link is given in the description box. So in today's video, I am proceeding with the another angles, that is trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. So let's begin with the calculation of trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. For this, consider an equilateral triangle ABC. And we know that all sides of equilateral triangle are equal and each angle is 60 degree. That is AB is equals to BC is equals to AC, and angle A is equals to angle B is equals to angle C is equals to 60 degree. Then further we will do construction here. We will construct perpendicular AD from point A to the side BC. From this we have two triangles, triangle ADB and triangle ADC, and we will prove their congruency now. Now in triangle ADB and triangle ADC, here angle ADB is equals to angle ADC because each 90 degree as AD is perpendicular to BC. AB is equals to AC. Sides of equilateral triangle are equal, and AD is equals to AD, common in both the triangle. So by RHS congruency rule, that is, so by RHS congruency rule, that is by right angle hypotenuse side congruency rule, you have already done this congruency theorem in your previous class, but if you have any doubt regarding this, you can message in my social media links that I have shared in the description. So triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. Since triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC, from this BD is equals to DC and angle BAD is equals to angle CAD by CPCT, congruent part of congruent triangles. Since angle A, that is angle BAC, is equals to 60 degree, it implies that angle BAC is equals to angle BAD plus angle CAD. So 60 degree is equals to angle BAD. We can also write here angle BAD as CAD is equals to BAD. 60 degree is equals to twice angle BAD. So this cancel. It implies that angle BAD is equals to angle CAD is equals to angle 30 degree. Now considering triangle ADB with angle ADB is equals to 90 degree, angle BAD is equals to 30 degree, and angle ABD is equals to 60 degree. As you know that for finding the trigonometric ratios, we need to know the lengths of the sides of the triangle. So let us suppose that AB is equals to twice of A. Then AB is equals to BC is equals to AC is equals to twice of A. Also proved above that BD is equals to DC. Therefore BC, which is equals to BD plus DC. BC is equals to twice of A, and BD plus DC is equals to BD. We can write it. Twice A is equals to twice BD. 2 and 2 cancel. It implies that BD is equals to A. Now, using PGT, Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square in triangle ADB. Hypotenuse is AB, base is BD, and perpendicular is AD. And AB is twice A square, BD is A square plus AD square, or AD square is equals to twice A whole square minus A square. AD square is equals to 4A square minus A square. AD square is equals to 3A square. AD is equals to under root 3A square. AD is equals to A under root 3. Now we have AB is equals to twice of A, BD is equals to A, AD is equals to A under root 3. We will calculate the trigonometric ratios of angle 30 degree and 60 degree one by one. Now for calculating ratio of angle 60 degree, we have triangle ADB and BABD is 60 degree. Therefore, for 60 degree angle, AD is the perpendicular, BD is the base, and AB is the hypotenuse. So sin 60 degree is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is AD and hypotenuse is AB. So AD is equals to A root 3 upon AB is equals to twice of A. A and A cancel, therefore sin 60 degree is equals to root 3 by 2. And we know that cosec is reciprocal to sine, therefore cosec 60 degree is equals to 2 upon root 3. Then cos 60 degree is equals to base upon hypotenuse. Base is here, BD upon hypotenuse is AB. BD is A and AB is twice of A. A and A cancel, cos 60 degree is equals to 1 upon 2, and sec is reciprocal to cos, then sec 60 degree is equals to 2 by 1, that is 2. Then tan 60 degree is equals to P upon B, that is perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is AD and base is BD. So AD is equals to A root 3 and BD is equals to A. A and A cancel, so tan 60 is root 3, and cot, which is reciprocal of tan, so cot 60 degree is equals to 1 upon root 3. Now for finding trigonometric ratios of angle 30 degree, so for better understanding, consider this triangle like this. Here angle BAD is 30 degree. So for 30 degree, AD is the base, BD is the perpendicular, and AB is the hypotenuse. So now sin 30 degree is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is BD and hypotenuse is AB. It implies that BD is A and AB is twice of A. A and A cancel 1 upon 2. Therefore cosec 30 degree is equals to 2. Then cos 30 degree, which is equals to base upon hypotenuse. Base is AD upon hypotenuse is AB, and AD is A root 3 and AB is twice of A. A and A cancel, root 3 by 2. Therefore sec 30 degree is equals to 2 by root 3. And last, tan 30 degree, which is equals to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is BD and base is A, and BD is A and AD is A root 3. A and A cancel 1 upon root 3. Therefore cot 30 degree is equals to root 3. So here are the values of trigonometric ratios of angles 30 degree and 60 degree. So in our next video we will discuss about the another angles 0 degree and 90 degree. Thank you.